Do you give a crap? Because you should. Plant-based living is so much more than just what you eat. It encompasses a whole slew of other things, and that's why today I'm sharing with you why you should give a crap. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. I am the co-owner of Slow Foods Kitchen, and today I'm going to share with you why you should give a crap and what exactly that is. So, as you know, I live a plant-based life, and so that is more than just eating kale chips all the time. It's about how you live. Are you reducing your plastic consumption? Are you reducing your carbon footprint? There's all kinds of things. So today's focus is on this. I'm so excited about is my new subscription of toilet paper. It is from Who Gives a Crap, and as you can see in the box, they get 50% of profits are donated to help build toilets. So cool. This is my first subscription. During quarantine, Mike and I ran low on toilet paper, very low, and two of my awesome friends gave me some, and they both happened to use this brand, and so I loved it, and I ordered some, and I want to share with you why I love it so much. First of all, cool box. We are getting, I will tell you, 48 extra long rolls of 100% recycled toilet paper. Yeah. Oh, even look at this. It says, "Hey delivery person, thanks for lugging around 48 rolls of toilet paper for us. You're the best." That's so sweet. We have 100% recycled toilet paper, soft and strong 3-ply. No inks, dyes, or scents. Why would you want dyes on your bum? I don't know. Reuse box to make spaceships. Great idea. All right, what's on this side? We're just gonna go through the whole thing. Nice bum. We don't put any inks, dyes, or scents in our toilet paper, so it's as lovely as your behind. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna grab my tofu opener / box cutter. This is not a steak knife. And we're gonna open this guy up. So like I said, living plant-based isn't just about what you eat, it's about so much more. So taking this cardboard box and repurposing it is just another great way to live more plant-based. And we have some ideas on the box here. Cat mansion, spaceship, Batmobile, lemonade stand, cheap coffee table, large hat, or house for small humans. Love it. And as a reminder, thanks for giving a crap, because 50% of their proceeds are sent to help build toilets for those in need. All right, so there's all kinds of reasons why I love this toilet paper. First of all, how pretty. It's so pretty. You could like leave this on your shelf and it's pretty. So one of the reasons I really like this is because each roll is individually wrapped in paper, not plastic. I mean, imagine how much toilet paper you use in a year and all the plastic wrapped around that toilet paper goes in the trash. So sad. And it's just more sanitary. You don't have open rolls sitting wherever you leave them. They're all wrapped up. So let's see. This is not your average toilet paper. 50% profits are donated to help build toilets. Cool. So I'm gonna open up for you. Ooh, and there's more on the inside. It says, "Trees are for hugging." So cute. All right, so as you can see, each roll is individually wrapped in paper. These are full-size rolls. They're not skipping you on the size. And if you want to be even more sustainable and really reduce your waste, you can save this and use it for a gift wrap. Or you can stuff gift bags with them, or you can give it to the kids to play with. There's all kinds of ways you can repurpose this paper. And every roll is a different color. So yeah, that is awesome. Now my friend did tell me that the box also comes with an emergency roll. I think it's different, it's wrapped different. I don't remember. I'm not sure, maybe it would make sense that's at the bottom. Look at all of these rolls, they just keep coming. I have so much toilet paper. This box cost me $48, and if you are interested and want to save $10, I have a code for you. I just need your email address. So I will drop in the comments below how you can get that to me if you want to save $10 off your first order. Look, we can just make a toilet paper fort. Look, it just keeps going. Wow, so much toilet paper. all pretty colors. We're gonna have a tower here. Here we go. When you get down to the red roll, emergency, you need to order more. But this company is so awesome, you're on a subscription and they'll ship it to you before you get here. Uh-oh, you're literally living life by the seat of your pants. If you don't order more toilet paper soon, there's no telling what will happen. Actually, we know it's not pretty. So how cool is that? In case of emergency, tear open wrapper. Don't worry, they will ship you another box. And if you are running low before your shipment comes out, just go online and they will send you another one. So if you are interested in learning more or you want to try some, I will drop the link below. Get me your email address so that you can get $10 off your first order and subscribe. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. It really helps support my channel. And I also know that you like the videos and I can share more of them with you. And if you want to stay in the loop and get first access to new videos, hit the subscribe button. If you have questions or comments or have things you want to learn about, let me know in the comments. I would be excited to hear from you. Have a great day, and I hope that you give a crap.